Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace your engine air filter. Okay, so this is a K&N Air Filter. This is a reusable filter. I bought it last year. I tried it in my 2023. I don't know, I had mixed reviews with it. I'm going to try it in my 2024, see if it's any better. But anyways, all you got to do, drop those clamps right here. You see that? Just pull that back. So that just goes back. And then this lifts up. I'm doing this one-handed here, so give me a second. One-handed. Oh, there's one more clip in the back. Right there. Okay. So right there's the other clip. So there's the side clip on that end. And then there's two here, so 3 clips all together to release, to lift it up. You just kind of pry it out, and there's your access to it. Now, when you put this back on, you have 2 notches. You got a notch here on the left and a notch here on the right. Make sure you put those notches in first before you close it down. So to change this out, see how dirty it is. Yeah, it's kind of dirty. Yeah, I'd say it's dirty. It's got a lot of black stuff in there. I'm going to go ahead and just put in the K&N Air Filter. So that's that, okay? I'm going to use this. So all I'm going to do is pop this back up, slide this in, goes in like that. And then you're going to push down there. Let's see if you can see that. Down there, you're going to, if I can get a better view here. All right, so I mean, it's in there. Right here is where the notch goes. All right, and it's easy. This is already in. I'm just gonna pull the clamps up. You just pull this up, pull this one up as well. And that's locked in place. That's locked in place. Go to the side, back here. See that clamp? You're just gonna pull it up, locked in place right there, guys. Kind of hard to see, but yeah, it's locked in place. That was it. That's how you change the air filter. The K&N Air Filter does have a little sticker that you can put on that says K&N Air Filter, just so if you get it serviced, people just don't throw it away. They're pretty expensive. They're about, I don't know, 50 to 60 bucks. I'm going to clean this. I'm going to vacuum it. I don't know if I decide to reuse it. We'll see. You know, they're pretty cheap. So I'll put a link in the description where you guys can buy this from, and some good options and alternatives, both K&N and non-K&N air filters. So over and out, guys. Give it one of these.